So you go to the Finder, and it takes you to this weird Recents place. Or worse, All My Files. And it looks to be all of the files that you've worked on in forever. I'm going to show you a sweet shortcut to make the Finder go where you want it to go. When you first get a new Mac, the normal behavior is that when you click on the Finder to get into your files, it takes you to this Recents thing, which really it's just files anywhere on your Mac that you have looked at recently, and it can get really messy. So let's say that your stuff is organized in Google Drive. If you go to Google Drive and it's in Business Documents and under My Important Documents, and you've put some time and effort into organizing this, but it takes a lot of clicks to get there. It would be really nice to have a shortcut to take you straight here. I'm going to show you how to do that. You just go to the Finder menu and you go to Preferences, and then you click on General, and then here where it says New Finder Windows Show, you just pull this down and go to Other, and then go find the folder where you want it to go. So you just click on Google Drive, Business Documents, My Important Docs, and hit Choose here. So now anytime that you click on that Finder face, it takes you straight into your stuff that you organized. Boom! Mac Epiphany. If your mind is blown and you want more, head to machinhome.com/videos.